Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get a free connect or connects on Upwork using a promo code. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so I'm on the official Upwork website, so basically let it just load, then I tell you guys what to do. So this is the Upwork moderator, so let's just wait for it to load. Let me just refresh the website. Okay, so let me just go back. So basically, according to their moderator, I've read it before. For some reason, it's not loading, but I've also received. So basically, they send you promo codes through emails, through promotions on Upwork. So you can just use these promo codes once you get them to receive free connects on Upwork. So this is how you do it, guys. Just wait for an official email from Upwork. They will send you promo codes weekly, monthly. It depends entirely upon them. So yeah, guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.